it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I like showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. It really does help my channel a lot. And if you want more of me, why wouldn't you? When you subscribe, you can turn on the notification bell so you're notified of every video that I upload. We're pushing 800 videos, y'all. That's crazy to me. And we've been here for 4.5 years. It's been a long ride. If you're new, hey, welcome to my beauty family. We just got our Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus PR package for December. I'm hoping we have a really, really good box this month around, y'all, for the holiday season. I hope we got some good stuff in here. This is a spoiler for you. If you do not like spoilers, this is not the video for you. But if you do like a spoiler and that's why you're here, let's see what we could get. Also, I also still get my paid for bag. So I'm excited to see what maybe we could get. Okay, we're gonna dive in. And it is typically just kind of haphazardly thrown in here. I don't always mind that, but sometimes I get it wrong. Y'all definitely correct me though when I'm wrong. Also, I'm sans makeup. I'm going to be heading to bed soon. I just wanted to go ahead and film this because it just came earlier today. And it says December 2022. Oh, what fun. Let the celebrations begin. We're throwing a month-long holiday party to bring you all the good cheer and glam beauty. So swipe on a bright lip, slip on your dancing shoes, and get ready to revel in the most wonderful time of the year. And again, this is gifted to me from Ipsy, so thank you so much to Ipsy. I will go into the mini bag first. Not what I was expecting. It is a kind of tangerine-y, orangey shade on the back, and then a reddy shade, and then like a lilac-y pink shade. I don't mind it not being overtly holiday or overtly Christmas because not everybody celebrates. We're gonna dive in. First up in my OG Ipsy Glam bag, and if you're unfamiliar with the OG Glam bag, it is $13. You do get your cosmetics bag and then 5 travel try me size items. And occasionally we get lucky and get a full-sized item. I will say that I wish that because Boxy and Ipsy are one and the same now, just call it Ipsy Charm. Make it one subscription. Give us 4 different tiers because everything is kind of cross-pollinating and stuff. That's not the right word. It's all... We get the same stuff in both boxes. Diving in. Also, if you're new, it's a shit show around here. If you're new, I'm very sorry. First up is a Sophia and Maybell. We've been getting a lot of their products recently. A fruit lip oil in watermelon. I love watermelon. I just got one of these last month. It was the yuzu flavor, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in my PIF pile for you guys. Next up, one of my favorites. It's the Milk Makeup Arise Mascara. And it is a little mini. I like this mascara, and I hear so much trash talk about this mascara, but I like it. I like it a lot. I will say, I mean, if you don't like a dry formula, you ain't gonna like it. But why would you buy it? It is definitely a drier formula like I like. It's kind of drying out a little too much, and I haven't had it open for very long, so maybe that's a complaint. But it is quite black. It does not flake on me. I definitely feel like I get a lot of length, a lot of curl, a lot of volume. It's long lasting. I really like it. If you don't like a dry formula though, you're not going to like it. And I'm going to be selfish and I'm going to keep this time. Next, of course it's a liner. It is the Luna Magic Lip Liner in Besitos. And that is what it looks like. I'm not going to open it to the air, but this is a color I think that I would use. So I'm going to think on this one. So far though, all my makeup heavy bag lovers, we got 3 makeup items already, y'all. Next, I feel 2 tubes of something. First is tea time? I hope that's right. Yes, tea time. Sorry, y'all. Rose Tea Eye Cream, Biro, New York. And it says Brighten, Deep Huff, and Firm. And it is a teeny tiny little package. It is in my favorite colors, though, yellow and pink. Should we try it? Let's try it. I just did my skincare, so that's the only reason I'm going to try it. There's, like, next to nothing in here. I wish they would give you a little bit more, but I will say with an eye cream, you're not going to use a whole lot. Oh, the texture of this is way different. It's almost like balmy versus like a lotion cream, if that makes any sense. And I don't really know. I don't really want to put it like too close to my eye or anything like that because I don't, you know, it obviously doesn't have directions. Typically I would bring it above here as well and kind of just lift and go outward motion and use outward motions with it. And you also want to use your ring finger that applies the least amount of pressure because we do not want to pull and tug and drag on our skin. All right, that feels really nice. I like the texture of that. If you've tried this, let us know. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna keep using this. I'll update you guys. And then last, in our regular OG Ipsy bag, something we've gotten 4,612 times, is the Fab Beauty or First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream for Sensitive Skin. It is a fantastic product. I really do like it. We get it a lot, y'all. We get it a lot. I love this. I love the little variation. I like that there's 2 skincare products. Pretty sure this is a full size. And then we have 3 makeup products. Obviously, the liner's probably a full size as well. I like that. I like that bag a lot. Next, we will go into our Glam Bag Plus. And this is our bag. We typically get more of a coordinating bag, not necessarily like matchy-matchy. And with the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, we get 5 full-size products. And automatically on top, it's a little crushed, but that's okay. I see a Tarte Shadow and Liner Quick Sticks Waterproof Eyeshadow and Liner. Ooh, and this is in rose gold luster and brown. Should have worn my glasses. I don't think I'm going to use it, so I'm not going to open it. I did used to swear by shadow sticks, the Mally Beauty shadow sticks. They had this like varnished greeny gold shade. Y'all, I wore it so often. I wore it all the time. I went through multiples of them, and every single time I wore it, people would ask me if I had hazel contacts in. The way that shadow looked on the lids, perfection, and they stopped selling it. I'll put this in the pay it forward pile. It is makeup, and I do like it. I like the concept of it. Next, who doesn't love brushes? I do. And FYI, 90% of brushes I own are from subscription boxes. This is a beautiful little duo. It is MOTD Cosmetics. I don't actually know what it is, and there's probably not any information in here. I'll try to look it up for you. But it is a duo brushes. That's hard to say. These are stunning. I really, really think they're beautiful. They feel nice and weighted. I am somebody that does not like brushes that are dual-ended just for storing purposes. I know that sounds stupid, and I'm sure they're beautiful, and they're amazing, and they're fantastic, and they're all the mermaidy, yummy, delicious vibes. Pay it for a pal. Next is a Kat Berkey Essential Radiance Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. That sounds amazing. Next up is a Patchology Serve Chilled Rosé Sheet Masks. Strawberry extract, resveratrol, and hyaluronic acid, and you get 4 masks. Okay. I like that. I really like this. I know some of y'all don't like skincare, but look, it's only 2. It's 2 items, y'all. 2 skincare products. It's wintertime, baby. We got to have these. Excited. Then last but not least, we have a palette. I know y'all love that. We have a Ciate London The Velvet palette. That bad boy is in there, y'all. Okay, yeah, I cannot get this out of the box. All right, here we go. That is in there. That box is nice and tight. So I do like the component of it. It's definitely not what I was expecting. That is what it looks like. And to my knowledge, I don't think I've tried a whole lot from Ciate London. I've tried a few things like the Watermelon Burst Lip thing. I may hold on to this one because I was not keeping the other one that I got from Ciate London. Let me know if you guys want to see a look with this. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought. So we had makeup or a tool, and then makeup, and then we had full-size skincare, and then of course our regular bag. We had our lip oil, we had our mascara, our eye cream, we had a moisturizing cream, and we had a liner. I'm thrilled. I think this is going to be a really good month, and I'm really excited to see what I get in my own bag, of course. So I definitely think we have a good blend. I think that it was a well-curated box. What did you guys think? Also, keep an eye out. We're going to have a Pay It Forward Friday coming up very soon, so you could win some of these products. Thank you again to Ipsy. Thank you to you beauties for watching. As always, I appreciate your time. I value you so, so much. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties.